you have a bit of difficulty drawing people? What you need is one of these. It's called a manikin. Look, it's got all these wooden parts of the body that you can move into any position to help you practice drawing people. You can get these from any art shop, but the problem is they are quite expensive. So why not make your own? All you need is a sheet of thin card. Now you can use any card or even a cereal box. The first thing you've got to do is draw all of the parts of your mannequin's body. And it's not as hard as it sounds. All you've got to remember is sausage and eggs. Don't worry, I haven't gone mad, just watch this. The body, you need to draw 2 egg shapes. They have to be roughly the same size, plus 1 small egg shape for the head. You will also need to give the head a neck. And now for the sausages. These will be the arms and legs, and just draw 8 sausages. Thinner but the same size as the eggs. And then you need to do 4 half-size sausages for the hands and feet. Now cut them out. You can either use a pair of scissors or a craft knife. Sometimes scissors can be quite tricky, and craft knife is quite easy to do all the curves. So I've demonstrated here both the scissors and the craft knife. As you are cutting the pieces out, it's always good to position those pieces into the form of that mannequin body. As you can see, the craft knife is quite agile, so you can get around all those curves quite quickly. But always be careful of your fingers with craft knives, as they can be quite sharp. The full form of the mannequin is nearly there. We're nearly done. Nearly time to fix it all together. Right, position the pieces roughly into the position of your mannequin. This can be a bit fiddly to do. Simply a case of overlapping all the pieces into the mannequin body. And you've got to join these pieces together using some of these. These are split pins. I'm sure you've seen them before. You can get them from any stationery shop. The way to do this is to get a sharp pencil and something like a block of blue tack or an eraser. So let's get 2 parts of the cardboard mannequin body. And we need to make a hole through both parts. So we'll do that with the sharp pencil and use the blue tack as a cushion so we don't damage any furniture. We then push the split pin through both parts of that body and then open up the 2 parts of that split pin so it holds the 2 pieces together. Look, there you are, you have a joint that moves. So now go around the whole body and join every part together, and then you'll have a mannequin where all the joints will move and you'll be able to put it into many different positions. If the split pins seem too long, so when you fold them on the reverse, just fold them back on themselves and they will create a smaller split pin, and so it will aid the movement of the mannequin. Also, while assembling the mannequin, just make sure the joints move, give them a good twist so there's plenty of movement. So when you put all the pieces together, you should have something like this, a cardboard mannequin. It's just a case of putting it into any position you like. You can copy it and practice drawing body shapes. Or even do mini animations like this. That's a mannequin from the front view. What about a mannequin from the side view? Well, we can do that as well. In fact, the pieces are all identical, except this time, rather than putting the arms and legs on the side of the body, you put one on the front and one on the back. And then you pop your pin in through the 3 of them, and then a leg on the front and a leg on the back. And then you put another pin through the 2 legs and the body, and then you have a front and side view. The great thing you can do about these mannequins that you can't do with a wooden one is that you can draw around it. Take a pencil and just draw very roughly, it doesn't have to be neat, we can go over it again, around the body of the mannequin, holding all the parts into the position. and then you can put all the detail later in ink. And that's what I did here. Here's a dancer, and here's a skier that I created in this way. Did it in pencil first, and then did the detail in pen afterwards. Just remember to rub out the pencil lines. These mannequins are really worth doing. You know, because they really help you practice drawing body shapes and proportions. Go and try it yourself. Well, I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Do take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!